Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a nail art tutorial for you, and this time it's an easy nail art, meaning I did it on my right hand. I am right-handed, so I've painted this with my non-dominant hand. I don't know, that just feels to me like the easiest way to do beginner nail art, just because if I can do it with my left hand then it's probably not all that difficult, otherwise I wouldn't be able to pull it off. Today I decided to start it out with a blue acrylic. As a background, you could just use a normal nail polish, a gel nail polish. You could do this on your natural nails as well as on false nails like I am. Yeah, just, you know, you can paint it on anything you want really. But yeah, one thing by the way that I still find difficult about using colored acrylic is that it needs to be thick enough that it's opaque. But at the same time I don't want it to be too thick because otherwise the nails get too bulky. I'm really still struggling with that. But either way, as for the snow crystals, of course no two snow crystals are ever the same. So I painted 3 different ones on my nails. I started out with quite a thick striper brush and acrylic paint. Just to pretty much lay down the basic shapes. And now I'm grabbing a tinier striper brush just to make tinier stripes. Just to add more detail. Of course you can add as much or as little detail as you want. You can make them very detailed, you can make them very stylized. You can make them big, you can make them small. I went for quite big ones with like the smaller dots, which can either be stars or snowflakes in the background. Depends on how you want to look at it. And yeah, I just tend to like add a lot of detail. Like I just start somewhere and then I keep adding and adding and adding and adding. And it just becomes very detailed. It's just a look I personally like. Also, you may need to add multiple layers to get the white to be opaque if you're using cheap acrylic paint like I am. However, do keep in mind that with the glitter on top of it, it's very forgiving and you're not really going to see it all that well if it's not completely opaque, so don't worry about it too much. Then once the acrylic paint is dry, I'm adding a little bit of top coat over top of it with a dotting tool. I'm using quite an old top coat, which I literally only still use as nail glue. Because I'm a cheapskate and I didn't want to toss it, so it got repurposed. Anyway, then I'm just tossing some glitter on top of it. And yes, I'm going to find glitter on my floor for the entirety of 2019. I already know that because I accidentally... Well, I dropped the towel on the floor and now there's glitter everywhere. But anyway, yeah, once the top coat is dry, I'm adding a final layer of top coat. And make sure it really gets into the glitter as well, so it's nice and sealed. And that's the final step, then you're done. I really hope this video was useful if you want to start nail art and want to try painting snowflakes, snow crystals on it. I tried to be as thorough as possible with my explanations. I hope you enjoyed watching it at any rate. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And if you want to, you can also subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of nail art, but I mostly do makeup tutorials. Nail arts are once every 2 weeks and makeup is multiple times per week. Pretty much always. Below this video you can find my social media accounts and names, mostly active on Instagram. I'd really love it if you want to follow me on there. And for now, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye!